Welcome back, guys, to a Sports Scoopers Junior video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this Rig Stabilizer Universal Fits All Phones. This thing. So let's do it. Open this side up. One sec. Just need my knife. Okay. Yes, I'm perfectly safe with these things. I don't play around with them. Kids never play with knives. Ever. Ooh, this looks sick. Is there enough piece to it? What? What? How's there not enough piece to it? It said it would be. That's really weird. Yeah, that's so weird. Can't believe it doesn't come with one. That's really sus. Weird. I don't know why. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, buddy. Doesn't even come with a mic. Doesn't come with a. Okay, I'm fine with that. Who cares anymore? How are you supposed to put this in? Oh, wait. You raise this up. It's fine. I mean, it's not like it's the end of the world. You probably have to buy. Oh yeah, you probably have to buy one of them. Put you guys in there. You guys. In the last video today, when we were unboxing our, presents, I thought it came with a thing. That looks sick. What's up, guys? What's up? Oh, good one right there. Y'all look sick with this. This looks actually good. Really goated. Oh, I could just do that the whole time I'm playing video games? Yo, I love this present so much. Hands down the best present. Alright, guys. This looks actually sick. Let's put it back in here. This looks so good. Yo, I love it, bro. I might use this on almost every video, guys. But yeah. Tell me if you guys like it in the comments. See you next one. Peace.